Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about Near Protocol right now because, Near Protocol has finally broken out. It's seeing a lot of excitement within its price, and a lot of requests coming in for a Near update. So, I'm bringing that to you guys to sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So as we're looking at March the 6th, we're seeing a lot of coins in the green, and especially, actual altcoins. We're seeing, meme coins kind of cooling off right now, as you can pretty much see across the board. But, if you're seeing altcoins though, altcoins are definitely picking up some traction against meme coins. So what I'm thinking is a lot of profit, that was originally made, from the meme coins are flowing back into altcoins. And you can see layer ones are breaking out. You're seeing Near breaking out, up 31.9% on the daily time frame, and on the weekly time frame it's up 43.6%. It's one of the top gainers today. We're going to talk about what exactly is next and what are some targets that we could be looking at. So we're looking at the price as of March 6th. It's currently sitting at $5.57, up 32% as mentioned in USD comparative. It's also up 32% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Now, if we're focusing on its market cap, on the other hand, it's currently sitting at $5.8 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $1.37 billion. So, in terms of growth, you can definitely see that. And as I've said to you guys countless of times, the narrative for this bull cycle is ETFs, layer ones, layer twos, and lastly airdrops. And you can pretty much see, every layer one at this point, one by one, is popping off. But a lot of exciting stuff obviously for Near, especially if you're a holder. So we're going to speculate on the price now, see what is happening, and obviously what we could be expecting. But before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So now, for focusing on it, Bitcoin dominance right now, Bitcoin dominance has been pulling down pretty much since earlier today, and that is giving altcoins a lot of a breather. And you can pretty much see this for yourself to kind of get the confirmation that altcoins definitely have that momentum, and obviously that is that. But now, if we're looking at BTC, Bitcoin was able to close the daily candle at $66,000, which is absolutely, crazy to even think about. And honestly, at this point, I'm projecting, Bitcoin is on its way to reaching an all-time high. And now the different conversations that are taking place within the crypto markets is that, the flush has been done. We're going to see, the crypto markets pumping up, leading into the halving. And then, of course, that is when the cool-off is going to happen. Obviously, time is going to tell, but, BTC is looking absolutely amazing. Obviously seeing a little bit of a minor pullback since obviously the daily close that did take place, but so far so good as far as Bitcoin is concerned. But now let's focus on Near Protocol, because of course that is what everyone is here for, and everyone wants to know what exactly is happening with the price. So you can pretty much see this for yourself. We have, number one, hit a new yearly high, and not only did we do that, we are back in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and now we're starting to see a very, very similar pattern playing out for a lot of coins that have been in the markets pretty much since the last bull market, and obviously went through a full bear market, and now these coins are picking up. And one thing that I'm trying to get to at is that we're seeing one similar pattern, and what that one specific similar pattern that I'm speaking about is, once the project enters the 78.6, this is where the excitement kicks in. And you can pretty much see this for yourself. Last time the price of Near Protocol was actually in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level was on September 13th of 2022. So, about 17 months back. So it's been quite some time since then. And obviously, it's pretty much bottom was at 95 cents on October 22nd of just last year. And if you were one of the people that were accumulating around that portion, you are up right now, if you held till now, about 500%. And Near Protocol obviously is one of the projects that gets really compared to Solana, and I've shared this before in my Near Protocol updates. I don't think it's anywhere near the capability of Solana. You just can see the numbers, you can see the on-chain metrics, they don't lie. But in terms of just the bull cycle itself, maybe they do have some massive developments coming out, and obviously they do, but I don't really judge that off of the bull market. Bull market, literally every single project is going to be trying their best to attract new investors. But as far as the hype factor is concerned, that is definitely there for Near Protocol. So that is a huge plus point, and I still think this can pull some crazy numbers, especially once the price is able to get back into the 28, what is this one, 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, which is at around $8.33. But right now, those are some targets that are for the future. What you want to be really looking at if you are holding Near Protocol is this target right here at $6.51. In my opinion, this will be the official end of the bear market cycle. I still think it's within its bear market cycle. Once it's able to break out of this $6.51, I think this could really push into the $8.22, which I mentioned earlier, quite fast. Now this is where excitement can really come into play. So we're going to take it one step at a time. If you really want to see how far it is from its all-time highs, it's still about 264% from its all-time high, and supposedly this is the biggest bull market that we're going to see, and so far it's starting to look like that might actually be the case. The fact that BTC is almost at all-time highs way before the halving itself just speaks for itself. And looking good so far, so good. You can pretty much see literally since the month of March has started, March 1st, if you picked up some Near, then you are up right now about 69.7%. So far not bad, but do let me know down below what you guys personally think and what excites you the most about Near Protocol, and what are some targets that you are aiming for at the peak of the bull run for this project. But other than that, it's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.